As promised, Tim, show you the progress on getting rid of those, or getting those planks that were cracked replaced. And so there's that. Let's see, progress on the seat's gonna look pretty much like it did before, other than we've got the wood cut for the seat. We start with these big thick pieces of wood, and we resaw them in this big old Tanowitz bandsaw. But here's what we started with, and we made 1/2-inch planks out of this. Actually made about 5/8, and then planed them down to the thickness of the planks on your boat. And this is the machine we do that in. And let's see, this is a 1963 Tanowitz GH. Was originally purchased from Brookline, I believe. Yeah, Brookline Furniture. Purchased in June of 2011 by the guy I bought it from, and valued at $32,000 then. And I got it for and it's now over $50,000, and I got it for $358 on an online auction. I was wanting to get this piece right here. I got the whole thing. Wow. All right, so let's see what else we got. Oh yeah, that's the. I'm pretty sure I already shown you the seat frame, but that is the seat frame that is your jump seat. Now, the guy that brought this to us said he builds them about 6 inches narrower on each side. You know, set keeps us about 6 inches narrower, so overall a foot narrower. And says it makes it easier to walk around in the cockpit. However, if we're looking for authenticity, then I feel like we really need to be doing it this way. And then here's where Tony's laying out your planks, and he's got the duplication started on these. I started with one of those big 4-inch peat slabs, and this is what we ended up with. He's got the first plank cut out already, and then this is the deck plank. He's just about to cut it out. So let's see, what else can I show you? Oh yeah, all your ceiling boards and stuff. So your ceiling boards are over here being varnished. We've got 3 coats of varnish on the ceiling boards as of today, and I didn't have that included in the time that I was telling you that we've accumulated in the last day or so. So your lid, your box, kick plate for your feet. That's probably what that one is. Kick plate for the back seat, kick plate for the front seat, various other pieces of trim, and there's all your ceiling boards. We put them on a reverse angle. I think I told you about this already too. We put them on a reverse angle frame, because if there is any dust in the room, it falls down past the surface and doesn't accumulate on the surface. That's how we keep them real clean. And so anyhow, that's where we're at on your project, and we're proceeding nicely. We've already started ordering stuff for your trailer based on our conversation this morning. And well, that's about all I have to share with you for right now. Thank you very much.